Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2024 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. You can see it with either key fob. I can operate both power sliding doors, and the rear trunk actually has a brand new rear entry ADA compliant conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Got a handle on either side. I pinch and I flip. You can take this to the ground using only your index finger. Tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out of your vehicle in the wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry, we sell full-size vehicles, we even have some trucks and SUVs. We have over 85 wheelchair accessible vans on the lot ready to go today. Check us out at mobility316.com. If you don't see it there, we can find it for you, or we might be getting it ready. So ADA compliant, deep cut rear entry. This can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or the gurney or the stretcher. Or we can add the gurney kit in if you need us to. We can even put a 3rd row flip base seat that flips up and down. We can put flip base seats that flip on their sides. Let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. It's a brand new van. Everything is obviously in brand new condition. The ramp does taper at about 32 inches here where the ramp sets, little taper there. It's got the 8 tie down points, so you can get 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. This canal is about a foot deeper than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So if you need that extra foot because you do want to haul 2 wheelchairs at a time, these Chryslers might be the answer for you. We got the upgraded Q-strength tie downs. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no additional cost to you. Got your warranty and information there. Got your nice center console here for your passengers in the rear. Cup holders up front. Plug-ins for all your electronics. This has the lane departure warning, so if you start to drift out of your lane, it's going to let you know, beep at you. It's got the adaptive cruise control to help keep you a safe following distance. A lot of great safety features on this van. Whether it's for your family or your business, you want to keep them safe. You want to keep your equipment safe. You can sync up your phone with Bluetooth here. Also keep your eyes on the road. And you can operate all the power doors up here. And they have the buttons on the side of the doors to operate those as well. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process. Again, check it out. 1 finger, super simple to do. Clamp it down and you are ready to roll. Now our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. A lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say. What do you expect them to say? But a lot of them have no warranty, some 1 year, 12,000 miles, some are 3 years, 36,000 miles. Ours being 3-year unlimited mile, you tell me who has the better built conversion. Not a lot to show you out here. Tinted windows, alloy wheels, it's all brand new. Total of, I think, 31 miles on this van. Also being fully loaded, I believe I mentioned the lane departure warning, the adaptive cruise control. It's got heated seats, heated steering wheel. You're not going to need those anytime soon, but come winter time, it is nice to have those heated seats and heated steering wheels. Got the remote start here. Fires right up, so if you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summertime, or a nice heated up van with heated seats ready to go and steering wheel. Got the window sticker in it still. But overall, just brand new condition. And you hear me talk all the time how we save you 5 to 10 grand on your next wheelchair accessible van. It's easy how we do it. It's low overhead. We are right in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do affordable shipping to any coast, being right in the middle of the country. The other thing is, I want you to imagine our competitors with 10, 20, 40 locations. Imagine the millions of dollars of overhead they have per month. Not per year, just per month than we do. That's how we beat their prices by so much, is low overhead. Have your power driver seat with the black cloth seats in this van. It does have the push button start, another neat feature. So if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to dig it out. So you can come out to this air conditioner already going. But put your foot on the brake, push the auto start button, fire right up. Got 31 miles on this van. Got your big backup camera there as well. Big old touchscreen here. It's got the Sirius XM radio included, and then we have our like I said, heated seats. Heated steering wheels are an option as well. Very nice van. You can operate all the power doors up there like I mentioned. So if you want to check this out, check us out at mobility316.com. We have financing available. Like I mentioned, affordable shipping, never any hidden fees. There's your lane departure warning. If someone's in your blind spot, that's going to turn yellow. If you start to merge over, it's going to beep at you to let you know, hey, you're about to click collision avoidance. So again, check us out at mobility316.com. We have 6 different colors to choose from in these vans. We have the white, the silver, the dark gray, black, blue, and the maroon, kind of maroon red. So thanks for checking us out at Mobility316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today.